In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find recently added friends on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Snapchat app. Once it is done, first off, tap right here to go to Chats. After that, tap Add That button to go to Add Friends section. And now here we need to tap right there at these three dots and then just select Recently Added by Me. It will show you all the users you've recently added as friends, and the key here is that users in this list are sorted by date added from the most recent to the most oldest. Basically, guys, that's how we can find them, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.